Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1971 Plymouth Cuda 440. So I personally loved this one, and it looked so awesome, the giant wheels, the huge wheelbase and the paint job and candy pink and everything. It looks so beautiful, so I bought it. So let's unbox this one and see how this one actually looks in hands. I'm really waiting so long to unbox this one. Finally, we are doing it now. Okay, so this car is by M2, if you guys are wondering, or if you are new to the channel. As you can see, so this is from the Detroit Cruiser series. So let me just put this aside. Okay, and here it is. Okay, done. So here is the car itself. So let me just unscrew this, guys, and I'll just get back to you. Give me a minute. So here it is, guys. Here is the acrylic case. It comes with. Let me just put this aside. So here it is, guys. Here is the casting. So the first impressions of this car, it looks really gorgeous. I mean, I don't have any other words to say. Let me just remove this. Okay, does the paint job of sticking to this. I'm just going to remove this and throw it away. I don't like these things because it does damage to the paint job. Okay, let's look at the casting now. Okay, this is too wide and it is actually heavy. It looks so beautiful, and you can see the headlights here. The headlights have individual parts which which is acrylics, and you can see the grill detailing here, air intake detailing here. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful. And let's go to the tail lights. Okay, the tail lights are painted, but I really don't mind because the rest of the thing, it looks so beautiful. And here is the chassis. It is fully metal, if you guys are wondering. And the rims here, the tires are actually made of rubber. Look how wide that is. It looks so beautiful. It is so deep and so beautiful. And here is the engine detailing here. That looks so amazing, to be very honest. I think we can remove this, open this here. Not sure how to do that. Don't see any. I really don't want to damage this, guys, but okay, give me 1 minute. I'll just try to pry it open with something and then I'll come back. Okay, here it is. So I just opened it. Okay, that looks so beautiful. Look at this. Wow, I never actually expected this much of detailing in this one. That looks so beautiful, and I'm really happy that I bought this casting, especially this particular color. All the details are so awesome, and I do know it doesn't have any suspension. So let's do a roll test. Okay, it is actually wide, but it does fit on the track. Okay, let's see. Okay, it doesn't roll really that well. It rolls, but it is not really that well. But anyway, we are not going to play with it. So these are you know supposed to be kept in a display. Yeah, time to time you just need to take it out and admire it and keep it back. Wow, this casting is so beautiful. If you guys are getting a chance to buy the specific casting, go ahead and buy it. Don't even hesitate. It's really so beautiful. And this part here, it is not just painted. It does have some, you can see that concave thingy there for the air intake and all. It looks so beautiful. And this is also metal. It is not plastic. Yeah, that is metal. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.